Have you ever wondered how the world works? There are so many challenges that affect the world socially, ranging from issues of class, poverty, gender, and race. Sociology is the study of society and human behaviour. So, as a sociology student, you get to question all kinds of beliefs about society. Why are there social conflicts and problems on a global scale? Why is there a gender pay gap? What are the root causes of deprivation? Why are certain groups of people more likely to suffer from marginalisation, exploitation, or oppression? Sociological thinkers have asked these questions and tried to answer them, from the subject's origins to the present day. This thought has informed social movements and activism around the globe, from environmental campaigns to anti-capitalist, black activist and women's movements. There are many different explanations of the nature of social problems and their causes, and differing solutions to these problems caused by the imbalance of power. Rival academic schools of thought and social movements compete with one another to provide the answer. Sociological inquiry opens your mind to these problems and to all sorts of possible solutions to them. What do you think the answer is? Why do you think these problems exist in the first place? You will be equipped to answer questions, to understand reality for yourself and ask why. You will get the big picture. At Birmingham City's School of Social Sciences, you get the power to think for yourself and make your sociology degree what you want it to be. So, how will you change society? Join us on our mission to make sense of the world.